let's go. Let's go, baby. Replay. Wang, wang, wang. Right, let's go. No, come on faster, my guy. Pokecard. Pokemon. Let's use. Oh, I'm so laggy.
3,000 worlds, and not a single worthy foe.
Ha! Yo, nobody is with Uranus. That's crazy. I am. Let's win this match. Whew. Okay, let's see. I am trying to hit Master. So yeah. Let's go, Baba. Surrender. Ooh, Dyraft. Dyraft is gonna be pretty hard to kill.
Baho mo, mutot ka.
Ikaw yun!
Baho mo.
Ikaw yun. Okay, so let's go.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them!
I am a mid laner.
All troops deployed!
Attack.
Launch attack!
Huwag ka lang na mag-charge. Kapag mag-charge ka, wala, natapos na. Okay, nobody's at mid. W.
First blood!
Okay, so we need to get kills.
These blades are my teeth,
Why is bro already getting the
and I'm
kill?
all bite and no bark.
Request backup!
So may damage is to this. Bro, different!
Who here is worthy?
Hey, why are you always playing?
An enemy has been slain!
No,
An enemy has been
bro.
slain! Double kill!
What is Dyrus doing? Okay, let's go. Alright. If we lose, it's because of Dyrus. They got an head start. They already have
Ally
that.
has been slain! Request backup!
Yeah, don't ever go AFK in the middle of the match. My Dyrus
Slain!
I'll show you what fighting really is.
Request backup! Okay!
Boy!
With
Dyrus,
invincibility
you're better not
comes
leave me.
solitude.
You're dead, man. You're dead, man.
Launch attack!
Having no one to fight.
Oh my god.
An enemy has been slain!
Really? Yep. Gotta kill the heck out of him.
Yeah.
Yeah, boy.
Your team destroyed the turret.
Oh my
Enemy
goodness.
has been slain. An
Woo.
ally has been slain.
This.
Request
I didn't
backup.
expect that to happen. Bro, there's no way.
I'll
An
show
enemy
you
has
what
been
fighting
slain.
really is.
Ah.
Request backup.
The worst thing in the world, having no one to fight.
An ally has slain the turret. Understood.
Don't do it here.
An ally has been slain.
Like, that's my question. Don't do it here.
Tear them to shreds!
An enemy has been slain.
Don't do it here. What about me? Oh, this game.
These blades are my teeth. And I'm all bite and no bark.
This gonna be a long video.
Feel my wrath!
Well, let's get blue.
Killing
The blue
spree.
has changed. Boom! Oh, hell no.
Slain
They're
an
dead,
enemy.
Dyla. You think they're gonna steal my blue? Oh, hell no. They're not stealing my blue, bro. That's my blue.
Who here is
I
worthy?
always get stolen by my blue. That's our blue. You can't steal it away from us. You can have everything except for my blue. Because you can't have the Lord.
With invincibility,
Launch
Kill
attack.
the Lord.
solitude.
Enemy double kill.
Nice. Yeah, that's what you get, boy. For stealing my kill.
I'll show you what
An
Yeah.
enemy has been slain. Shut down.
There's no way. Lila is still chasing Hanabi. There's actually no way. No way.
An ally has been slain.
Laban dito, laban. No.
Tear them to shreds!
Team destroyed the turret. Request backup. Okay.
Who here is worthy?
An ally has slain the turtle. Killing spree.
Okay, never mind. He did. Oh,
These blades are my
never
teeth.
mind. That was not.
And I'm all bite and no bark.
Why do you keep hiding, my guy?
Launch attack.
You're running.
Understood. Your team destroyed a turret. Initiate launch attack. Killing spree. Ally has been slain.
You are the most.
Feel my wrath!
Your team destroyed a turret. Launch attack.
Alrighty. This is episode 1, by the way.
Your team destroyed a turret.
I'm gonna kill the heck out of you, Alpha, bro. You think you're getting that?
Our turret has been mega kill.
Ashura!
Down.
minutes later. If I saw him one again. That was actually my first death, by the way. I don't know how, but yeah.
An enemy has been slain.
Okay.
The worst thing in the world.
Oh my damage
Having
first.
no one to fight.
Why did it stop? I don't know.
Monster kill.
And they're just gonna start coming here because correct here?
Feel my wrath.
Oy! I don't know why it's bro. Shopee. Shop now. Shop now.
Your team destroyed the turret.
The Lord is gonna do anything. No, my friend. No. I'm gonna just gonna kill you.
Godlike. An ally has been slain.
Alright. 5%, I think. We're done.
Unstoppable. Double kill.
Where is the Lord? They didn't kill the Lord. So the Lord killed.
I'll show you what fighting really is.
There's no way.
Ally has been slain. Godlike.
You try to get the Lord? Oh hell no, my friend. Reverse psychology. Yes sir, GG's my friend. Outside the box.
Victory.
GG's my friend. Okay. We're almost at Elite 1. So yeah. Peace out, boy.